Hey y'all, I'm starting with 2/3 of a cup of half and half and 2 eggs. And to that, we're going to be adding half a cup of sour cream. That's going to be half of this tub. So just go ahead and just take out half. Put that right in there. Just like that. And we're going to be adding 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix. Just like so. Get all that in there. 1 can of these medium green chilies. And 1 can of cream corn. Just like that. Go ahead and take this out. Add it to our dry ingredients. Stir this. Combine this really, really well. Don't know if you have any New Year's plans, but this is a perfect dish for the new year. It's gonna be so good. A great way to kick off the new year. Okay, once that's combined, I'm gonna be adding this 2-cup bag of triple cheddar cheese. Put the whole bag in, just like that. Fold that cheese into that cornbread mixture. You guys have made any New Year's resolutions yet? You skipping resolutions this year? Let me know what you have planned for 2025. Okay, once that's put together, and to that we're just gonna go ahead and pour in this cornbread right on top of all that melted butter. So good. Make sure you get all of that in there. I'm gonna get a can of these black-eyed peas. That's gonna go right on top, like that. And we're also going to get this crumbled bacon. That's actually a good luck food as well. All of that goes in there. And some chopped spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and, I've already drained it out of the can. Just gonna put portions all over the top. I'm using spinach, but you can use collard greens if you want. It's just not everybody I know likes collard greens. Do you like collard greens? I mean, let me know in the comments if you do, because maybe I'm just not making them right. They're just a little bitter when I make them. So spinach is a really good, substitution for that. Especially if you have, like kids sometimes don't like spinach. Don't like collard greens, I mean. So go ahead and spread this around and then just start pushing it kind of into the cornbread mixture, like so. It's gonna be so good. Perfect side dish. I like it doing it this way because then you've got, like this cornbread crust all the way around. And this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 50 minutes. Wow, take a look at that. All of these amazing New Year's lucky foods are in one place. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right into the middle. This is gonna be the perfect New Year's dish in one. It's got all those lucky foods in there, the black-eyed peas, the spinach, the bacon, the corn. It's all very, very good for you. Let me go ahead and take a bite. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Between the cornbread and the black-eyed peas and the cheese and the corn and the greens, this is gonna be the best good luck food for you to make this year. I hope you make some. I'm gonna have another bite.